Hey, it's Marilyn Suttle, and I want to share an activity that if you're a leader or manager, you can do this with your teams. This builds rapport and teaches it in a transformational way, an experiential way that words alone cannot teach. So here's how it works. You break everybody into groups of two. That means if you're on Zoom, you do two in a breakout room, or face to face, knee to knee. Two rules: no talking, no touching. And you have one person act as the customer, the other person as the service provider. If you're the customer, you can do whatever you want as you're sitting there. You can move any way you want. And if you're the service provider, your role is to build rapport by following the customer. The customer raises their hands, you raise your hands. If they do their elbows up and down, you do that too. You put the music on for about 30 seconds and watch the fun. They start moving together, they start syncing up, they start laughing, smiling, and before you know it, there is engagement and rapport. Then you pause and say, okay, part two. Once again, customers, you do whatever you want as you're sitting in your chair. This time, though, service providers ignore that customer. You don't have to do what they do. You decide to do what you want to do. And that's all you say, and put the music back on. And so the customer might do something like this, and that service provider doesn't do it. They don't pay attention, or they try to get their attention. And very quickly, on a visceral level, you realize that there is no rapport here. By the end of that 30 seconds, it's very clear that you have not met them where they are. You cannot take them where you want to go. So, what this exercise does, you debrief with the group, and overall, you're going to hear that when you follow them, they connect with you. Trust is built, connection is built. When you try to direct or take them off on another way that they weren't wanting to go, chop. Trust is chopped, connection is chopped, engagement is chopped. And this is a really great learning. And then you have them reverse roles so that both groups, both sides get to feel that experience firsthand. It's all about meeting people where they are to take them where you want to go, building that rapport. And that's what makes team members work well together, makes the customer connection stronger and rapport solid.